Assalamu alaikum, good afternoon. First of all, I would like to introduce the honorable judges who are there for speech competition and different kind of competition like Naat competition, etc. The first one is Sir Jamal Ali Zaidi. He is a senior teacher at Asin School in College, Alipur. He has worked as radio broadcaster, scriptwriter on different platforms. Second judge for speech competition, Miss Dia Chaudhary. She is an anchor person at Rose News and nowadays and working as a producer at FM 102.2. She has worked as host on different radio and TV channels. The third judge is for the National Songs Competition, Sir Danial Hashmi. He has done his master's degree from Rifa International University and now he is lecturer in Faculty of Management Sciences at Rifa International. The fourth judge for speech competition is Sir Usama Khadir. He is a poet and writer. He won district level competition in poetry and essay writing. He is the creator of the Layman's Rights, the blog. He is the General Secretary of Rifa Media Society. Along with it, he is the executive member of Youth Insight. There must be some rules and regulations. All the participants must follow these rules and regulations for speech competition. First one. The first rule is that your content should be related to the topic. For Urdu speech, the topic name is Shaheed-e-Watan Tujhe Salam. And for English speech competition, the topic is a tribute to martyrs of Pakistan. Now, both for English and Urdu speech competition, the time duration is 2 minutes and 30 seconds. The first bell will ring at exact 2 minutes and it will ring again at last 2 minutes and 30 seconds. The third rule is that your arguments, logic, examples should not be based on politics or religion. I mean to say that they shall not, raise some kind of prejudice or ill will against any community, etc. The fourth rule for speech competition is that there must not be paper reading. Paper reading is not allowed. For national song competition, 2 minute and 30 second time duration. And if someone takes more than this time, he can lose his marks. And last but not the least is the decision of the judges. It will be final. And I would request all of the judges to leave your comments in given paper about overall performance of today. Thank you very much.